everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Well, I decided that I would make this week all about Easter treat packaging. And it's very quick, very cute, and very fun. And the reason why I wanted to do this series for this week is because not everyone wants to make an Easter basket, and sometimes we just need something really, really quick to be able to give to a coworker, friend, or a family member. And these projects for this week certainly will help us to be able to do that. So today's project is going to be this really cute and fun little ice cream cup. And you guys have seen me use this before. So I'll go over how I actually dressed up my cup, and then I'll also walk you through how I decorated my cup. Not everyone will want to decorate their cup in this way, but I thought that I'd show you an alternative to just covering it in paper and then putting a bow on it. This will also add some of that spring cuteness to your Easter treats. So let's get started. So what I have here are ice cream cups, and I get these from Amazon, and they come with a lid. And I will provide a link to these in the description box. And all I do is, just like with the mini coffee cup, I took the ice cream cup apart, created this template, and then I was able to trace out the template onto the paper that I wanted to use for this project. So I'm going with this paper, and I did the same thing for the lid. The lid has a piece in it under the bottom that actually pops out. So I took that out, and then I traced it to create my template for what I would need to put on the top. So let's get started on this. And it's going to be very quick to do. I have taped up my cup, and I have placed tape on the ends of my wrapper. So just like with the coffee cup, I am looking for my seam, and that's where I'm going to start placing my paper. So I am going to tuck it up under the lip as close as I can get it, and then I'll just start wrapping it. And there, we've got our ice cream cup ready to go, ready to be filled. And now I want to take the lid and put the topper on it. So I am going to apply the lid with glue. And the way that I'll do it is I'll simply take my glue and run it around the outer edge, and then a little bit in the middle. And I can put it down. And I'll come back with my bone folder and get this nice and stuck. Just making sure that my edges are down. And then I can put my cup and my lid together. And just like that, we have got a beautiful project that we could just leave alone and consider it done. Okay, so now that I have a completed cup, I want to go ahead and fill it. So I'm going to place just a little bit of shred on the inside, and that way, when the lid is removed, it looks cute on the inside as well as on the outside. So I'll replace my lid, and then I want to go ahead and dress up my cup. So I've got some tulle, and I just cut an amount that looked pretty good to me. And all I'm going to do is pull this up and tighten it, just like this. Really need two hands for this, but it's just me today, so I am going to do this all by myself. And all I'm doing is taking a piece of extra tulle and pulling it around to create my little knot. So now what I can do is, I think that what I want to put on this one, I used the flower on this one. I have a butterfly, so I am going to take the butterfly and just place it around here. And this butterfly actually has wire on it, and I got it from the dollar store. And I think that they are really cute. The butterfly and the flower both came from the dollar store. So all I'm doing is tucking that around the tool. And then I'm going to come back and I'm just going to trim off what I think is excess. And then I'll take another look at it and see if I want to remove any more. And I think I do. Just a little. And so there. I am very pleased with how this looked. And it's such a quick project. That didn't take any time at all to make this. So what you have are two very cute, very springy, but also very Easter themed little treat boxes that you can give out to family, friends, coworkers, anyone, and they'll be thrilled to have this. So I hope that this project has inspired some of you to try your hand at this. And if you've liked this project, please hit the like button. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.